Alright, you guys, we are so tired. We've been working on the farm all day long, but my husband grilled the burgers. I am so tired. I don't know how long I can stand up. So, but he wants me to set up the sweet potatoes he made, like put all the stuff that I put in them. So hold on. Okay, thank you.
They're hot and fresh.
Alright, they're just great value sweet potatoes. How do you open them? Right here.
I've never had those.
Neither have I. I've never had them in a bag. I've had them in the package from Market Basket, but right now they just look like cubes. Sorry, my mom's vacuuming. I don't need this much butter.
No, I know you.
Oh, I can just use the one that I'm just gonna put like, yeah, that much. Alright. Alright, you guys, some ground cinnamon. Some salt. I'll adjust it so you can see better. There you go. Okay, I'm not gonna put pepper in it. I am gonna put a little bit of brown sugar. Thank you for grilling.
Oh, you're welcome. Sorry, I had to call you for your masterpiece of potatoes.
Oh my god, thank you. Now I'm just gonna mash it up and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so that's dinner. I love burgers from the grill. Usually I like orange cheese, but this is fine. So we got the potatoes, everything. I don't think I'm gonna put anything on the burger because sometimes you just like them plain, especially off the grill. I am so tired. I hope you're having a good night.